Welcome. Today we are going to solve exercise work of chapter 7 class 4. The name of the chapter is The Missile Man. A. First we should sit exercise. What is this exercise saying? Answer these questions. A. What did Kalam do to support his family income? Answer. Kalam sold newspapers to support his family income. B. What was Kalam's dream to be? Answer. Kalam's dream was to be a fighter pilot. Why is Dr. Kalam called the Missile Man of India? Answer. Dr. Kalam is called the Missile Man of India because he developed Agni and Prithvi missiles. D. When did Dr. Kalam get the Bharat Ratna? Answer. Dr. Kalam got the Bharat Ratna in 1997. E. Who is known as the People's President? Answer. Dr. Kalam is known as the People's President. Question number 2. Choose the correct option. 4 options were given. Right option has been written here. Dr. Kalam enjoyed playing the dash. Answer Veena. Dr. Kalam enjoyed playing the Veena. Dr. Abdul Kalam was elected the President of India in dash. Answer 2002. Dr. Abdul Kalam was elected the President of India in 2002. C. Dr. Abdul Kalam designed a small dash for the Indian Army. Answer helicopter. Dr. Abdul Kalam designed a small helicopter for the Indian Army. D. Dr. Abdul Kalam started his career as a dash in 1960. Answer scientist. Dr. Abdul Kalam started his career as a scientist in 1960. Now question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Some words are given here. Words are scientist, nation, boatman, television, books. And we have to fill in the blanks. A. Abdul Kalam's father was a dash. Answer is boatman. Abdul Kalam's father was a boatman. B. Dash were his best company. Answer is books. Books were his best company. Dr. Kalam was the first dash to become the president. Answer is scientist. Dr. Kalam was the first scientist to become the president. D. Dr. Abdul Kalam wanted to make India a developed dash. Answer nation. Dr. Abdul Kalam wanted to make India a developed nation. E. Dr. Kalam never owned a dash. Answer television. Dr. Kalam never owned a television. Now next question. Next question is question number 4. Name of the nation is written. Write what their countrymen are called. It means name of nation is written. You have to write the nationality of those nations, or what are the people of those nations called, or countrymen of those nations are called. Answer is given here in purple letters. India, Indian. China, Chinese. America, American. England, the English or English. Some people also say Englishman. English is the language of England, and people of England are also called English. So there should be no confusion in it. Japan, Japanese. France, French. Russia, Russian. Now question number 5. Question number 5 says, there is a word of another parts of speech in each group. Pick the odd one out. It means 5 words are given in each group, and one is the word from different part of speech. You have to choose that word and write in answer. A. Ramesh, book, cat, flower, he. Odd one is here, he. Ramesh, book, cat, flower. These are noun. He is pronoun. B. I, we, you, it, they. Answer is it, because it is verb. I, we, you, they are pronouns. C. Good, lemon, tall, small, beautiful. Answer is lemon. Lemon is noun. Good, tall, small, beautiful are adjectives. Next, with, come, play, run, write. Answer is with. With is preposition, whereas come, play, run, write, these all are verbs. E. In, to, for, from, or. Answer is or. Or is conjunction. In, to, for, from are prepositions. F. And, of, so, but, because. Answer is of. Of is preposition, and, so, but, because are conjunctions. G. Alas, see, hurray, ah, hello. Answer is C. C is pronoun, and other words are interjection. Those are alas, hurray, ah, hello. H. Correctly, cleanly, neatly, under, fast. Its answer is under. Under is preposition. Correctly, cleanly, neatly, fast, these are adverb. Sometimes you use fastly. Fastly is not a word, that is wrong use. So fast is adjective as well as adverb. So in both form, in adjective form and adverb form, fast is used. Fastly is not a word. Number 6. Musical instruments are played in different ways. Divide these instruments in different categories. Name of instrument are given here: guitar, drum, harmonium, dholak, shehnai, sitar, mouth organ, veena, violin, tabla, piano. 4 categories are given here: string instruments, instrument that we blow, instrument that we beat, instrument that we play with fingers. So string instruments are guitar, sitar, veena, violin. Instrument that we blow are shehnai, mouth organ, flute. Instrument that we beat, answer is drum, dholak, tabla. And D. Instrument that we play with fingers, these are harmonium and piano. This was the answer of the chapter The Missile Man. Today we completed exercise work of The Missile Man. Thanks a lot.